Morning guys. Airport tayo ngayon guys. Sige lang guys. Mr. B, good morning. Mark, good morning. Yan guys, airport no. Itong parkingan nito guys sa airport. Andun yung sasakyan natin sa dulo. Kaya yung bundok na Mount Tamputsao. Mr. B, this is the Mount Tamputsao. Hey, good morning po. Custom ibigan ko yung pulis yun guys, kaya dito tayo ngayon sa airport. Natin mag-ina ko guys. After this one I bring my car to the tire shop guys, yung sakyan pala natin. Kaya tinis natin pagbibideo. You know, kalimutan kong sombrero guys. Right, let's go sa sana ko guys. Inside. Shout out to Mark Rapagu and son Mr. Rapagu too. Yung anak ko guys. Yan sila. Yes sir. Where are you going? Ikaw? Oh, uli Guam na guys. I told you going to the state. When you going to the state? Not yet. What about your Calvo? Maybe next year. Oh, look at police dog. See, what's all was there inside. There. Alright guys, continue na natin guys. Okay? Mar, nandito na kami sa airport. Mag-travel namin sa US, Mar. Kaya, ayun o, magpa-US na kami, Mar. Busy. Busy, si Papa niya guys. Alright. Yeah, after this one, go to the tire shop. And I go to the hospital. I bring my medicine. Was bring this, I don't have medicine guys. But still numb. Yeah. Okay. Guys. Easy guys. Alright.
That dog is trained to smell gunpowder. Nice concepts.
Alright. Tingnan
know. When I was in school and I went to the, we call that the community center, right?
Okay. Phải na ingat kayo. Dahil maglalord. Yan talaga. Alright. Ayan, tubig guys. Alis tayo. Push. Push natin ito guys. Alright. Doon naman ginay ko guys. Oh. Bye Jimmy. Bye Surya. Mr. B, this is the Mount Tamputsao. Alright, the highest mountain in Saipan. Yan. Tamputsao yan. Yun, rent a car. Dito yung rent a car. Yeah. Kaya itong buo naman ang ng airport. You know. Pag ina ko nandun na. That's si Papa Jer, guys. Alright, this is it. Okay, bye-bye. Happy trip. God bless you guys. Let's go to my car. Oh. After that, guys, oh. Kumpare ko, after the airport, this is it. Tireman, guys. After this one, tire the shop, go to the hospital, take my medicine. Yan, ano. Guys, mga nasa 25 years na ito sa guys nagserbisyo. Mag-citizen na ito sa guys, retirement na, money cam na. Oh, putang na ginaano na kayo. Putang na ka. Akala mo ha. Galing ako sa Chinatown, Shaolin Temple. Oh, tinan mo yan guys, mga professional ah. Yan. At least may 1 minute tayo dito, tapos sa hospital man tayo pupunta. Mga 1 minute na. Tapos yun guys, okay swerte guys. Temporary lang muna guys, kasi yung PTO ng isa mahirap itanggalin. Temporary lang natin. Ayos. Kasi yung isa nito guys, itong problema oh. O tapag nasira to, may gitsandaan yung babayaran niya dyan guys. Bayaran natin. Kaya hirap, ayun oh. Yan ang pinalitan natin. Okay lang guys. Continue tayo, please to the hospital. No? Guys, dito na tayo sa ano? Sa hospital guys. Ano? Kaya dito tayo, shortcut tayo dito. Sa pharmacy tayo. Dito yung pharmacy. Kaya balik ako muna guys. Tingnan mo ako. Tapingin pa yung parada ko guys. Pasok pa rin tayo sa ating parkingan. Yun ang hindi driver. Dito tayo mag-shortcut guys. Ang kunin natin guys gamot sa high blood at sa diabetes. Tsaka mapunta tayo sa anong resulta na yung morning, yeah. You playing? All right. Yeah. Hey, John. Oh, this is Mr. John Fernandez, guys. Yeah. All right. This is a coach player too. Okay. This is guys. At least, ano na guys, ang ating ang hindi lang natin nakuha yung ating na magpa-report ng atin na resulta ng atin na blood test. Okay guys, yun na nga yung vulcanizing natin. Talaga nag-green talaga guys yun. Yun, pero okay na din daw yan, sabi ng tatawagan niya ko pag tapos siya makuha yung yung pinakita ko kanya. Okay guys, bless you guys. I love you guys. I love you mama in the beachside, and I love you mama in the land, and I love you guys, and I love you Mr. B. Morning ma. This is it. At least mayroon tayong activities sa araw to guys. Okay, bye guys, see you soon.